This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off your Volvo XC60. First, ensure your vehicle is completely stopped in a safe spot, like a parking space. Then, simply press the Start-Stop Engine button located on the center console. This action will power down the engine and most of the vehicle's systems. Always confirm that the engine is off and the instrument cluster is dark before proceeding to the next steps. After the engine is off, place the gear selector firmly into the park position. For many Volvo models, the electronic parking brake will engage automatically once the vehicle is in park and the engine is off. However, it is good practice to confirm its engagement. If it does not engage automatically, simply pull the parking brake switch located near the gear selector to activate it manually, ensuring your vehicle is secure. Before you exit the vehicle, take a moment to ensure all lights, both interior and exterior, are turned off to conserve battery power. Remove your foot from the brake pedal, and then you can safely open your door. Make sure all passengers have exited the vehicle and that all doors are securely closed. This prevents any accidental battery drain or security issues. Finally, to secure your Volvo XC60, use your remote key fob to lock all the doors. You should hear a confirmation sound, often a soft beep, or see the exterior lights flash once or twice, indicating the vehicle is locked and the alarm is armed. Always double-check that all windows are completely closed to prevent theft or weather damage, ensuring your Volvo is fully protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.